Diarrhea affects the child, but panics the mother. Mother demands an immediate relief. To protect and regain the normal gut flora in diarrhea, antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and dysentery, prescribe Novogermina. Novogermina is 2 billion spores of Bacillus clausii. Novogermina is available with unique STIMO technology. What is STIMO technology? STIMO technology stands for Selectively Trained and Morphologically Young Spores. In Novogermina, these Bacillus clausii spores are trained by giving exposure to various classes of antibiotics, leading to mutation of these spores, resulting in becoming antibiotic-resistant spores. Further, these spores are also kept under a controlled environment, where these spores become thermoresistant and acid-resistant. After getting desired spores, only morphologically young and very active spores are selected to deliver immediate germination. These selectively trained and morphologically young spores of Bacillus clausii and Novogermina pass through the stomach unaltered through thermo and acidic medium. The process of Bacillus clausii germination starts in the intestine, wherein the Bacillus clausii spores multiply exponentially. Further, these spores adhere themselves to GI epithelium and forms a biofilm. Here they produce antibiotic substance and interfere in multiplication of pathogenic bacteria. This biofilm also promotes growth of intestinal microflora, thus achieving a balance in GI microflora. These Bacillus clausii spores stimulate the immune defense mechanism against the pathogenic bacteria and is thus effective in diarrhea, antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and dysentery. Hence, Novogermina, with STIMO technology, quickly reduces the frequency of diarrhea and its related symptoms. Novogermina restores the normal gut flora in children with diarrhea. Therefore, to protect and regain the normal gut flora in diarrhea, antibiotic-associated diarrhea, and dysentery, for assured gut protection, prescribe Novogermina with unique STIMO technology.